Alright, on the water. Check engine light, nice. Let me unplug. Alright. Let's see what the oil pressure's at right now. Right now we're at 80. Alright, like 85. Alright, I'm gonna put the camera down, I'm gonna watch the gauge, and we're gonna see what happens. Alright guys, so right now we got 20 psi of oil pressure when it's on idle. When we go on plane, it's about at 60 to 70 up there. So I forgot what the thing said it should be at, but that sounds about right. We're gonna have to really, I'm about to go on my phone in a second just to check, but it has oil pressure. And also, we have boost now. So I think I don't know why unplugging the sensor makes it, run better. It should honestly say, hey dude, you have no oil pressure, you should stop running. But for some reason it's letting it run. There's no freaking check engine. I mean, there's check engine light beeping at me, but there's no oil pressure light, which there should be a oil pressure light because it's not connected. And actually I do have the sensor connected, it's just not reading oil pressure because there's no oil pressure because it's connected. This thing's connected. So I'm gonna go over here in this nice flat area and we're gonna watch this gauge, see where it goes. Now this gauge could even be like 10 psi off. I'm not sure how good this gauge even is. There we go. Get some air out of there. Yeah, so. Oh, that's oil. Yeah, I just bled it. But I don't know if I'm supposed to bleed that or not, but who knows? I'm assuming maybe you're supposed to. So. There's the oil. Get the oil off my seat. Alright, so let's go. I'm gonna go over here. Alright. So she's running good. There is some like hesitation, which could be spark plugs, could be a couple different things, which whatever, I'll do that maintenance on it. I might just do an oil change, do the pump stuff, and go from there, because honestly, it's running fine now. Like, it's 100% fine. It's pulling me, it's hard to hold on to this thing, and I wish I could show you guys, but I don't have the mounts to put you guys on there. So I'm gonna try to show you guys a little speed run of this thing over here. There's no wig zone, but I need smooth water to test this out. I need to watch where this is at without dropping a GoPro or anything like that. So that's the idea behind me trying to go fly through a no wig zone. So let's see. Alright, let's see how this gauge does. I know it's supposed to be like 32 psi at idle. We're at 25, 20. So like that change oil, I think maybe that may just increase oil pressure by a good amount. So it might just be that. I had to change 2 years technically. It was last season we didn't change it. So 2 years. This is the third season on this oil. So we only ever do that actually. So let me get new oil for this thing, and that's not the best thing I'm gonna do. But I'm gonna rip it real quick, see if I can get the yellow or anything, and get it back in, and maybe we'll see on it. Hopefully she's good. Alright guys, I'm back in the truck. We're gonna go pick up my ski. I have it in the ramp right now. So oil pressure issue, I think it's more a sensor, or it needs an oil change, stuff like that. I don't think we have any oil issue. The only thing we are having an issue with is, which it might just need a tune-up. I'm gonna throw some spark plugs in it, new oil, and see what happens. But she loses boost, and it makes no sense because if it was a leak, a boost leak, all right, it's just you know, it would just not have boost at all. No, this time I put in the water, she had boost for, and she was, you know, I felt a couple times, she was like, ooh, I lost boost a little bit. Ooh, I lost boost a little bit. But there's times where she just, it just what do you call it? Non-stop going. So I don't really understand what's going on. We're gonna have to just pull it out, do the tune-up, and just take one step at a time to see if the tune-up, hopefully, maybe spark plugs are just bad. You know, those are 3-year-old spark plugs. So who knows? Maybe it's just spark plugs. I have no idea. Back to the house. Put those over there. Alright, I'll go to my grandparents' house real quick and then we'll re-intervene a little bit. Alright guys, so right now I just got the jet skis. They're all back there, all washed up. Not all washed up actually. I didn't wash the trailer or the outside of the jet skis really. I got them all flushed out though. They just gotta be washed up on the outside. I did clean the inside of the engine bays just because the seat was off, so I would just spray down the engine and threw some lubricant stuff all over the engine, stuff like that. So got all that finished up. Yeah, I don't know what's going on in the engine right now. We're gonna do an oil change like I said before, spark plugs, and go from there. If maybe it fixes it, maybe it doesn't. We're gonna get a new oil pressure sensor too, so just get a new oil pressure sensor. That'll be all done with. At least you can be like, oh, okay, we're good. And if I get an oil pressure sensor that I can customize the range of, like, you know, all right, only set it off if it goes below 20 psi. Set it off, then I'll honestly order that one, and then, you know, whatever it is, because I'd rather just go, I don't know, I'm just talking right now, but, yeah, so we're gonna do that. That's how hopefully that fixes the problem. Hopefully we have a ski. The only thing I don't know, I'm hoping it's just the plugs, bad plugs for the whole turbo wear issues going on there. I'm gonna go talk to my associate, Mr. ChatGPT, Grok, and all those good associates I have. Oh, look at you. Hey, you look like a jackass. Sorry, there's one guy looking up here. But yeah, so hopefully we figure it like that. So, other than that, we're gonna cut the video off here because I'm gonna go out with my one friend. Maybe go out tonight again. Went out late yesterday night. Pretty solid night. Where we go? We go Osprey and Manasquan, Jersey. That's where we went to yesterday. Got 3 girls' number. Made out with 1 girl. I was not really expecting that. I was just kind of like in the moment thing. I was like, oh, I usually don't do that. But I don't know. It's one of those, like, I don't know, got close and that was just how that went. But other than that, like I said, if you guys enjoyed the video, please like down below. Subscribe to the channel. Do whatever it takes to follow your dreams. Don't let anyone get in your way. Stay maverick. I'll see you guys in the next one.